Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, so in this video, I am reviewing the Scalp bot EURUSD EA for MT4. In this video, I'll walk through the MQL5 Marketplace page, discuss the information provided by the developer, review the EA's stated approach, and then take a look at the historical backtesting performance and overall observations. All right, so starting here on the marketplace page, Scalp bot EURUSD EA is listed by Abu Talha MD Mahi Uddin. The current purchase price is 299 US dollars, which is being advertised as a discounted price from the previous $350. There is also a 1 month rental option available for 70 US dollars. The current version shown is version 4.0. All right, and the product comes with 5 activations. Now, looking through the description, the developer positions this EA as a trading system focused on EURUSD. According to the information provided, the strategy is designed to take scalp positions while aligning with higher time frame trend directions and using what the developer describes as a safe peep distance. All right. Now, the recommended trading symbol mentioned is EURUSD. This becomes the primary context for evaluating the EA. The developer also specifies 2 different time frame approaches. Each one is described as the major and safer time frame, while M1 is described as the minor and more aggressive time frame. Okay, so this distinction is useful because it gives traders some insight into how different chart periods may influence the EA's behavior and overall risk exposure. All right, so continuing through the page, the developer provides account size recommendations. A minimum deposit of $500 is suggested, while a $1,000 balance is described as the safer option. Okay, so the description also notes that for every additional $500, users can add one major pair. Okay, since EURUSD is the specifically recommended symbol here, viewers should carefully evaluate any expansion beyond the provided recommendations through their own testing. Now, another point mentioned by the developer is that the EA is being run continuously. Okay, and including during periods of high impact news events. So that is part of the information presented on the product page, although individual results can naturally vary depending on market conditions and broker environments, right? So when it comes to settings, the guidance is very straightforward. The developer specifically advises users not to modify the settings, starting with the values embedded within the source code have already been optimized according to their testing and experience. Whether users decide to follow that recommendation or perform their own optimization is ultimately a personal decision, right? But it is useful to know the developer's intended configuration. Now, let us move into the historical backtesting section. Whenever reviewing any automated strategy, I prefer seeing testing conducted over longer periods because it provides a broader historical perspective and helps reveal how the system responds to different market environments over time. Okay. But I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Now, looking at the provided information here, this shows us the inputs of the expert advisor, and then here this basically just shows us, the the tester settings, and then here we have the result being displayed. I can see here that initial deposit was $1,000, and total net profit was about $869.92. Total trades taken 2,584, out of which 2,009 were profitable, giving us a 77.75% win rate. Okay, so that's actually okay. And then here I can see that the balance equity curve is pretty smooth though. Though there were some periods of drawdown, you can see some sharp drawdowns here, but overall it was a steady growth over time. Okay, but let's just head over to the backtest results that we conducted, and we can see that I'm testing the Scalp bot EURUSD EA on EURUSD on the H1 time frame as recommended, and I'm using the every tick modeling. I'm testing over the past 3 months, 21st March to 21st June 2026, and from here I can see that initial deposit is $10,000 and the total net profit is 163.79, and the total trades taken were 348, out of which 224 were profitable, giving us a 64.37% win rate. In this case, the largest profit was 68.6, largest loss was 18.3, average profit 2.87, and the average loss was 3.86. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio was bad because the average loss was bigger than the average profit. But then let's go turn on the visual so that we can also see the EA in action. Okay, looking at the historical chart activity, one observation that we can make based on the developer's description is that the EA is intended to combine scalping activity with higher time frame trend direction. Beyond that, the marketplace information does not provide detailed entry rules, um, exit logic, position management techniques, or filtering conditions. So it is important not to make assumptions about the exact mechanics behind individual trades seen on the chart. Now, as we review the historical testing performance, remember that these results represent historical analysis only. They show how the EA performed under specific testing conditions and should never be interpreted as guaranteed future outcomes. Actual results can vary significantly depending on the lot size selection, account balance, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, risk settings, and any optimization choices made by the user. So overall, the Scalp bot EURUSD EA for MT4 presents a focused approach centered around EURUSD, with the developer emphasizing higher time frame trend alignment, flexible time frame selection between H1 and M1, and predefined settings. As always, before considering any live deployment, I recommend conducting your own testing and evaluation so that you can determine whether the EA fits your trading objectives and risk tolerance. Okay, historical performance should always be viewed as research data rather than a prediction of future results. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.